अच्छा जी। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। डे 2 है अपना पाकिस्तान ऑटो एंड पार्ट्स शो का, और हम यहाँ पे दोबारा से आए हैं। आज की हमारी विज़िट थोड़ी डिफरेंट है। हमारे साथ हमारे दोस्त हैं मुनीब, जो कि दोस्त भी हैं, छोटे भाई भी हैं, और हमारे साथ मेरे बेटे जावी भी हैं। और इंशाल्लाह ताला आज हम यहाँ पे 2 व्लॉग्स कवर करेंगे, 2 सुलेमानी व्लॉग्स। एक जावियार का स्पेशल होगा और एक जो होगा वो मुनीब का स्पेशल होगा। जावियार वाला जो होगा वो फन फील्ड होगा, और जो मुनीब का होगा वो गाड़ियों का रिव्यू होगा। बिकॉज मुनीब जो है वो एक स्पोर्ट्स कार इंथुजियस्ट है, और उसको बहुत शौक़ है गाड़ियों को मॉडिफाई करने का भी। बहुत ज़बरदस्त कार्स हैं उसके पास। और इसके साथ मैं ये भी बताना चाहता हूँ कि मुनीब के साथ मैंने एक सेटिंग की है। हम हर सैटरडे या हर संडे एक कार रिव्यू बनाएंगे और आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। वो कैसे होगा वो अभी हमें ख़ुद भी नहीं पता। फर्स्ट एपिसोड के बाद हमें आइडिया होगा कि वो कैसा होगा, किस में कैसा मज़ा आएगा। तो अभी जब हम अंदर जाएंगे तो लेट्स सी किस तरह कहानी बैठती है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आए हुए हैं और सब लोग हमारी तरह एक्साइटेड हैं। तो चलें अंदर चलते हैं, बाकी बात अंदर करेंगे। जावी जानी, वुड यू लाइक टू से सलाम?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. So, my friend, are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full.
Yes.
Acha, why are you excited?
Because I'll see my car.
You will see your car?
Yeah.
Which one is your car?
All of them.
All of them are your cars?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you excited about Muneeb bhai?
Yeah.
Acha, you were saying you don't remember who Muneeb bhai is. Now you remember him?
Yes.
Acha, baby, you don't have to hold the mic like this. It will be too loud otherwise. Just let it hang, and that is enough.
The diggy is being checked.
The diggy is being checked, yeah.
Wait, isn't the diggy checked?
Well, let's ask Muneeb bhai. Muneeb bhai, ये डिग्गी होती है उर्दू में? ये हमने बचपन से डिग्गी बोलते हैं। डिग्गी होती है ये? इसको इंग्लिश में ट्रंक कहते हैं।
ट्रंक कहते हैं, उर्दू में
डिग्गी कहते हैं। डिग्गी कैसा लफ्ज है यार ये? यही लफ्ज है सही। So Zavi, it's diggi in Urdu.
So
I don't understand why it is a diggi. We will ask somebody, maybe some army personnel can tell us that why is it called. अच्छा,
Army
नहीं वैसे तो
is
starting यहीं से start है,
Pakistan.
मगर क्योंकि एंट्री उस तरफ है तो हम पहले वहाँ जाते हैं, और वहाँ कोई करीब में अगर पार्किंग हमें मिलती है तो लेट्स सी।
Pakistan.
Yeah, such a big Pakistan flag. एंट्री वहाँ से हो रही है ना, so वहाँ करीब से करीब तक जो हमें मिल जाए वहाँ पे करते हैं।
Oh.
Zavi, this is the entrance.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have to say about it?
That it's a haunted house.
It's a haunted house. Why is it a haunted house?
Because it's dark. So whatever
Acha.
is dark is haunted.
Okay, let's see if Baba's logo is here or not. Actually, we are not participating, so my logo is not supposed to be here. But they always put the logos.
Oh.
Okay, we will walk through this.
Which?
They have to check if you are carrying. Oh, what? Look at this, sir. Alaikum salam. He's a commando, sir. Javi, check out the commando, sir. Say salute. Say salute. Give a salute. Zindabad. Chalo. Chalo, let's go. We have to go through this so that we have to check. Give your guns and your knives. Give
I
all your.
have.
Check. ले ले. हाँ सही है. Give your guns and knives to the uncle.
I don't have guns and knives.
All the guns and knives which you are carrying with you.
All I have are my punches.
So look at this, Ravi. Look at
I
this.
know.
Is this Ravi? This is called a tunnel.
I know.
Tunnel. We are going through the tunnel. Look. Can you see the branding? Are you with me, or you have come here by yourself?
Huh?
Have you come here with me, or you
By myself.
by yourself? Baba, come here. Come here. Look at these. These are all the brands.
Jitor.
Jitor, MG, Toyota. मुनीब, I'm sorry, एक माइक है सिर्फ अभी आपके साथ जो है ना वापसी पे रिव्यू करेंगे। अच्छा, they will again check you, so give your guns And
I don't have guns and knives except for my turtle car and my sticky notes.
okay.
That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Chalo. Go through this. I think I have to take off my bag over here. Wait. Okay, so Zavi, they checked out all of my bags and they
All of
couldn't
yours?
find. Yeah.
All
they,
of
they
yours?
made me take off my belt and they couldn't find anything.
Who?
Acha, Zavi, listen to me.
What?
Check this out, man.
I saw it.
Sure. Acha, now listen to me. There are 6 halls, okay?
Which one are we
Hall
going?
number 1 is on your left, I think. Let's see.
No, first let's go.
I'm telling you something. Hall number 1 is on the left, but there is nothing over there. I came here yesterday,
So-
so we are starting with hall number 2. Come on.
Yeah.
And you will tell me about everything. Chalo. Come here, Zavi. Over there. Look at that. Look at that car. Listen, this is how the car is made. This is how the entire car is made. Can you see? Go and tell me about it. Don't touch anything.
Where's the engine?
Just look at
But
look
where's
at
the
all the engine, all the parts. Look at the springs, Zavi. Look at the springs.
But where's the engine?
And Munib Bhai knows all about this.
Where's the engine?
That's the engine of the car, man.
Yes.
That's the engine, the transmission. Come check out inside.
Can I go inside?
I think you should not go inside because it's on suspension. But they will allow you to sit in those other cars which are on the display. Chalo, go. Look at the bumper,
Extra tire.
extra tire.
What
Acha,
else?
come here. You can go in these cars if you want to go and check.
Someone's in there.
Huh?
Someone's in there.
If you want to go inside, you can go in this car.
Someone's in there.
Go.
There's someone's in there.
That's fine.
No. I want. Where are the sports cars?
Go.
Oh, this. Oh, blue car.
Can you tell me about this car?
This
Oh, the bumper is open.
bumper.
Side of the car is open. Look over here. Oh,
Whoa.
wow, man. Isn't this cool? Yeah.
The
Lights.
This is
Baba,
first part.
Baba, don't touch it. If it drops, Baba is going to jail. Because Baba cannot pay for the damage.
This is the first one. That's second. That's
Please,
third.
I request you not to drop anything. Please, Zavijani. Chalo, let's go.
From where is this light coming?
Zavi, let me tell you something.
What?
This is hall number 1, and can you see there is no other brand over here, except for Toyota. That means Toyota wants to show that I am I. There is no one else like me. Sorry. Toyota wants to say that we are Toyota. There is no one like us.
Come. Let's go to hole number 3.
Let's ask Munib Bhai.
What? Yeah, level 2.
Let's go to level 2.
Yes.
It's not a level. It's hall number 2.
No, level number 2.
Level 2. It's not a game.
is.
You're not passing the levels.
Yeah, I am passing the levels after
okay.
looking at
Chalo,
the
go.
cars. Walking to level 2.
Sorry, what are you saying?
We are walking to level 2.
You're walking to level 2?
Yeah,
You have cleared level number 1.
yeah.
Excuse me, that's level number 3.
No. But we didn't go to 1.
Huh?
So this. We didn't go
I
to
told you there is nothing in level 1.
Yeah, so but it's level 1, 2. We are making
Acha,
2.
on your left is hall number 4, that means level number 4.
We will
But we
first
will go there after level number 3. Chalo.
Yeah. Which company is this?
Enter at your own risk.
At your own
Please
risk.
test your might.
Test your mind.
Dare to enter. Remember that teddy bear car over there?
Steady.
Yesterday you saw.
yeah.
Chalo, go. Go.
Oh, Henry.
Yeah.
Henry the Poopa.
Why is it called honorary?
I don't know.
What do you think? Why is it called honorary?
Because people do lots of horns in it.
Because people like to do horn. Come on, explore. Acha Zavi, this is the way. We'll go like this and we'll come out from that side. Okay? Chalo, go. You want to go on the stairs?
Which stairs?
Yeah? Want to go? Go.
Should I?
Go, sit and say Allahu Akbar.
Wow, Akbar. Number 1.
Number 1. You're number 1. Sit on the chair.
Toffees are also here.
What's up, man?
There are some toffees there.
Yeah, you can take it. It's for guests.
Yeah.
But don't take too many. Good boy. Acha, and don't throw the wrapper here and there. Don't throw the wrapper here and there, okay? Yeah, that's right. Because the stairs are too, what are they, high. That's the right way to come down.
I got a free toffee.
Excuse me, sir. Your favorite bikes?
Oh!
Come on, tell me about this bike.
This one.
Baba has this bike, the brand, but not this bike. Can you tell me something about this bike? Tell me.
Heavy
Go,
bike.
go, go. अब बताता हूँ एक मिनट अभी चल रहा है सही है ठीक है यार बेटा ये पीछे लिखा हुआ है ये है Ravi, tell me something about this bike.
It's good.
Huh?
Can I touch it?
But what do you think about this bike? Sorry.
Very good.
Check out all the other bikes.
Come, let's
They are
go
for the
there.
girls. Acha, chalo. Let's come from that side.
And there's one boy bike.
Hold on. Yeah. This is one of the bikes which Baba have. One of the bikes. Baba's got 2 bikes.
One's Muni
Check
bike.
out these bikes. Look at the
Where's
cool
Muni
colors,
bike?
man.
Yeah.
Acha, please don't drop any bike, okay?
Okay.
Or they will put me in the jail. Check out that bike. Bro, what do you want to say about that bike?
Very good.
Huh?
Very good.
Very good. That's it. And what about these girl bikes? You want to have a girl bike for your school or university?
Well,
This one, huh? Why?
I want that bike which was that one.
Oh, there? No, you're a baby. You'll have a girl's bike.
Nah.
So, chalo, let's go to Honda. Honda. Bhai really likes Honda.
Huh?
Manip Bhai really loves Honda. है ना? Honda favorite? Even we have a Honda.
Huh?
We have a Honda. Oh my god. Oh Titi. Check out the Honda bikes, bro. Go over there.
They are number 1.
These bikes, man. Whoa, look at this bike. Look at this one.
I saw.
And these are the girl bikes,
Yeah.
the electric.
Cars.
This is an electric vehicle, but I think it's hybrid. You want to go inside like that, baby? Huh? And this is a Civic, a new model of Civic. Come here.
Wow.
Acha, you are at a car show and that's the only thing you like, huh? The lights on the floor. Eh? Come here. Check out these bikes. Electric vehicles. Go over there.
I'm gonna drive it.
These are literally for babies, I think. This baby boy is checking this out. Ravi, come here. It's a very cool color bike. It looks like a spaceship.
Spaceship?
Yeah. Check that out, man.
Wow. Mm,
Look at the lights. It looks
I'm
like
gonna sit in
looks
it.
like a toy car. Look at Zarmini's bike. Don't go there. Don't go there. Check out these bikes. Oh my goodness. Is it for you?
Yeah. Come.
And what about that
Let's
vehicle,
go
Zavi?
to level 3.
Bobby, if you drive this bike, I think you don't even have to wear helmet. This one.
Yeah.
because your eyes will be protected from all the dust. And you want to see a cool bike?
I know. And true.
What on earth?
Super bike.
Super bike. It's not even super.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's pooper.
it's a pooper. Zavi, look at this. Read.
Yeah. Hall 6.
Level 4 is right in front,
Yeah.
and level 5 is even further than level 4.
And level,
Level 6 is over
that
here.
way.
So where are we going first?
Level 4.
Level 4? Okay. Chalo. Enter at your own risk.
Where is
One
it
more
written?
time. Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Enter at your own risk. Where is it written?
Go straight into it. Go.
Chinese. Chinese.
अच्छा, ये हमारा चेरी. So how should we start? From right or from left?
Right.
Right? Chalo. How about from this, from what is in front of us?
Wow.
Bikes. Once again. What do you want to say about these bikes?
I want to sit on the bike.
Are they cool?
I want to sit on a bike.
Do you like these bikes?
Yep, I do.
Are they better than the ones we saw earlier? Huh?
What do you say?
I'm saying the bikes that we saw outside, are these better or they were better?
This is better
Why?
because it looks cooler. Come. Whoa!
Whoa! Go. Check it out, man.
I'm sitting on it.
Acha, chalo. Sit on it.
Come here.
Yep. I don't know if they allow anyone to sit on it or not. I think that's your bike over there. Go and check. That's for you. Come here.
Free helmet.
Huh?
With every purchase,
Check this out.
free helmet.
These are your Baba's company's car.
Really?
Yeah. मतलब ये not exactly Baba's company, but the company where Baba works, okay, so they have different brands. This is one of the brands. You want to check out these cars?
No.
Huh? Hold on.
Oh, what
Look
about
at these
Xavier? What about Xavier?
Huh?
Drone! Technodrome!
Technodrome?
Oh,
Is it a Technodrome?
oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. There's a bro, there's my bro. No. Xavier, what about Xavier? What about Xavier?
I don't know if he's even coming or not.
Ask him again.
Come.
Come on, bro. Let's go here.
You want to visit that place?
Yeah, boy. It looks. What is that?
You want to see something?
Yeah,
Come here.
upstairs. Let's go
Come.
upstairs.
Come.
Upstairs.
Baby, listen to me. That place is only for customers. The customers who come here, who go upstairs and they discuss that we want to buy this car. That place is only for customers. Look at that. Go over there. Check out. It's a video game. You want to play it? Munib Bhai is probably looking at different cars because he is a car enthusiast. He loves cars.
Oh, there he is.
You want to check out that sports car over there? Oh, Munib Bhai, you were looking for Munib Bhai.
Huh?
Munib Bhai,
I was the one who
Okay.
spotted.
you want to go and check out the sports car? Look at how the doors are opening. Go.
I know. Oh.
Like this car? If you like this car, you can only take your wife or mama with you. There's no third seat. I think you cannot take me.
Only you and me.
Ah, yeah, baby! Two boys.
Yes.
Check out this car, man. Oh my god, man, oh my god. These are the friends of the strict boss. My son also says the strict boss. Assalamu alaikum. Look at him. आंखों में आंसू पे चश्म तो नहीं हुआ होगा? Zavi, check out this car. What do you have to say about
I'm
it?
sitting in it. I'm sitting
Huh?
in it. I don't care. I'm sitting in it.
You want to sit in it? To go now. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Go.
I
Go
want to go
inside.
in the driver's seat.
Baba ki jaan. Ja, go. Sit. And tell me, do you like this car? Oh, Titi.
Close the door.
Huh?
Close the door.
Close the door. Allah Hafiz. Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Dubai.
To the masjid? For namaz?
America. Saudi Arabia.
Yeah?
Saudi Arabia.
Sorry?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. You want to sit in the sports car? Wa alaikum assalam. Zavi salam. She's saying salam.
Assalamualaikum.
Tell her, do you like the car? Tell Baji. When are you buying it?
Huh?
She's recording the name of people who are buying the car. So when are you buying it? Now you have to buy it. You checked it now.
And
So where is the cash? Did you bring any cash with you? Or
sticky note.
sticky notes? Okay. You want this brochure? You want it? You want to keep it? Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
He is my son. He's my son. Thank you, Baba Shukriya. Jazakir. Haji? Zavi! Oh, say thank you.
Thank you.
Ji. Wow, man. You just got your first gift bag. Cool. Chalo, Zavi, let's move on to the next car. Say thank you to the nice Baji.
Thank you.
थोड़ा shy है, ठीक है. चल. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बिल्कुल. चलें. Thank you. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Aja Zavi, man. Okay. Baji was saying you're a good boy. You're saying you're a good boy.
I got a ticket.
Acha Zavi, let's go and check out this car.
Cyberster.
Come on.
Cyberster.
Go. Cyberster.
Cyberster.
Why don't you sit in this car and show me?
No.
Go. Let the uncle come out, then you will go. Check it out, man. Whoa! Look at the sports car's interior, man. You want to go from that side? Sit in it? You want to sit and check?
How will I sit?
Come. You want to check out the ginormous vehicle?
No.
You can go on the trunk of the car like those babies. Come. Why? So don't touch the bike. Come on.
No, I'm made of
Come here.
I'm made of kachra.
Come on.
I'm made of kachra.
You don't want to get on the trunk of the car? Huh?
No. I'm made of kachra.
Achha, chalo.
I'm made of kachra.
Look at those people who don't want us to come upstairs. Look. They're selfish people. They don't want us to come upstairs.
What do you mean?
Oh. Where is Munib bhai?
I just saw him going that way. Wait.
Saw him over there?
I can see him, I think. Can
you see him now?
I think I can. Yeah. I think I can. Come follow me. Follow my lead.
Yeah?
I saw him going that way.
Come over here. What about these cars? No, they're not cars. What are they?
Camel Alpha.
What are they?
Cars.
They are cars. Excuse me, they are trucks. Actually, I also sometimes call my trucks and buses as cars. And sir always makes fun of me. He says they are trucks, they are not cars.
Canon Alpha.
Canon.
Canon
Alpha.
Alpha. Come on, let's get out.
Look at this. Havel, fifth.
Fifth.
Look, Havel, fifth.
Havel H6 fifth. It
Fifth.
happened H6 fifth. No, fifth.
Okay. Tank. Is it a tank?
Tank 500.
Look at the baby bhaiya standing in the tank. Checking out the tank, man. You want to go and sit in the tank?
No. Wait.
These cars.
I saw. Let's go. I want.
I think you just want to make us deaf with the music.
What does deaf mean?
My ears were about to come out or burst.
But a fire was
Check
about to come.
these cars out.
Will we?
Baba, these are really cool cars. Look,
Will we?
come here. You know what is it? It's like a car, and at the same time, it's like a truck. Can you see?
Yeah,
Car
yeah.
plus truck. They're really cool.
Cart.
A car truck.
No. Cart.
A cart? Or a car truck?
Cart.
Truck.
Yes, truck.
सबसे बड़ा व्हील बेस है चौड़ाई में भी और लंबाई में भी।
Look at the size of this car.
I saw. Let's get out of here.
जब अंदर बैठ
It's nothing. It is something. Yeah?
Huh?
It is something, right?
No, it's not.
It's nothing for you.
No.
Yeah? Your dinkies and your small cars are everything for you. Now you're entering into hall number 5. That is
Oh,
level
spin, I
5.
want to spin.
That's a lucky draw.
I want to do it.
You want to check out Suzuki?
No, I want to do lucky
We
draw.
have a Murgala.
Lucky draw.
It's a family of this car. It's a family of our car. Yeah? This is the new army green car. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Tell me something about it. What do you have to say?
That it's silverish green. That's it.
Silverish green?
Yeah.
What kind of color is that?
It's still green.
Whoa, look at that color. Then what are you going to call that color?
Which one?
Come over here. Check it out.
That's white.
This one. What are you going to say about this?
Still white.
Still white.
Yeah.
Silver white.
Still white.
Still white. Can you check out the lasers?
Yeah.
Look at the lasers on the car.
Are they dangerous for the eyes?
सुजुकी की नई गाड़ी
Munib bhai really loves Suzuki. You want to check the Suzuki bikes? That's our old car, Swift.
Yeah, but it's the new
Good.
version. It's the new.
That's the old one.
No, it's
And
the
just
new
look
version.
at that bike. Isn't it love?
It's the new version
Listen
of.
to me. Isn't that bike a love?
No, but that's the new version of Swift.
That's a new version of Swift. Okay. What about this?
It's a bike.
Huh?
Yeah.
Or this?
What do you think it's in the box?
What is in the box? We will check it out. It's a mug. We'll
Okay.
give it to Mama.
No.
Check out these bikes. You want to go and check them out, or you want to move somewhere else?
Move somewhere else.
Somewhere else? I'll take you to a very cool place. Come here, Ajay. On your right, you are going to see some people from the country of China. Come here. You want to see Chinese people?
Yeah, I can.
Here.
City.
You want to go and meet them? You want to say salam to them?
Huh?
You want to say salam?
Yeah.
Say assalamu alaikum. Go.
Assalamu alaikum.
You want to say salam?
Assalamu alaikum.
Shake hands.
Assalamu.
Good job. Good boy. See, all of these are from China. All of these stalls, all of these products are from China. See, they are products which we use in the car. They are all from China, and these people have come from China to sell their products to us. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, come. That stall belongs to my friend. Not
Really?
belongs to my friend. He has set up this whole stage, and it's the most party stall of the.
How?
It's got the most music. Let's find my friend. Maybe he's not here. Maybe he is. Let's check.
Where could he be?
He has made the whole area musical place. He's made it into a disco. Everyone is just partying out here, huh?
Disco Jimmy.
This party in the.
Wait, someone is also looking like Disco Jimmy.
Where?
That curly hair guy.
You want me to talk to him? Let me talk to him.
Why?
Let me show you. The curly hair guy looks like Jimmy.
Yeah, he's just that one in the blue shirt.
Disco Jimmy! Disco Jimmy! Disco Jimmy, come here. अस्सलामुअलैकुम डिस्को जिमी।
कैसे हैं आप?
मेरे बेटे कह रहे हैं कि ये भाई डिस्को जिमी की तरह लग रहे हैं। एक कैरेक्टर है, वो डिस्को कैरेक्टर है। कहते हैं इनके स्टाइल में डिस्को जिमी वाला है। रवि, आई नो हिम। इज ही अ फाइटर?
Huh?
डिस्को जिमी फाइटर? नो?
Driver.
ड्राइवर, ओके। और जुनेद वगैरह आए हुए? Zavi, do you remember this bhai? Do you remember this bhai? Alaikum assalam. He is the bhai. He is the bhai who gave us that guitar shirt and that cap you were wearing last time.
Do you have some drinks? Some juice? तोहफा भी दे देना एक।
और आप जो है वो क्या बने हुए हैं? शाहरुख खान, उदय चोपड़ा,
वो सब मिला
मदन चोपड़ा।
वो सब मिला दे। सारे नाम मिलाए तो
मैंने कल जुनेद को बताया कि सबसे ज्यादा डिस्को माहौल जो है वो तुम्हारे स्टॉल के ऊपर है।
चाहिए भी था।
अच्छा, या अल्लाह। तो मम्मा को बताना, मम्मा को बताना पड़ेगा। ओ भाई, ये देखो, ये जावी, जावी, check out that girl.
At that,
She-
at the juice area, I also saw boys eating food well with their masks.
With her masks.
Yeah, with silver.
That Baji, doesn't she looks like a gangster? She's a biker. You want to go say salam to her?
Nice.
Come. Hey, gangster! Gangster! Hello, gangster! She looks like a gangster, right? She's a biker, you know? She can ride big bikes, heavy bikes. You want to see her ride a bike? But she cannot. So he wants to see you ride a bike. He wants to see you ride a bike. Where will you go and see? You will sit with her on the bike, or you will feel shy?
I'll watch it.
Okay. Yeah, your buddy Xavier is here.
Where's he?
I have asked him to come over here. They are arriving. Wait. It will take some time.
Number one.
Right now he's outside. He's coming.
He's outside. Can you also try to get Xavier a gift and juice?
You can give it to him.
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. I think they are about to start a party.
Mike's coming.
Yeah, sorry?
Michelangelo's coming.
Because
No,
it's
Babu Umair part.
Baba Umair.
Yeah.
I'm Michelangelo.
No, that part, Babu Umair, what's your name? Yeah, that part. Let's do it.
Okay. Say it.
No,
See?
in the video.
Huh? It's recording.
Babu Umair, what's your name?
Baba Umair, what's your name? What do you mean?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Baba Umair, what's your name? Achha, come here. You're about to start a party, I think. Party in the house.
Oh,
What
number
is that? इसका दोस्त है. Assalamualaikum. Guys, how are you, man? on, talk about the cars. Come on.
About what? I don't understand. What do I talk about?
Come on, tell us about the cars, both of you.
Hold it then. Hold it. Hold it.
Give it to Chachi. Give it to Chachi.
Chachi.
Where innovation meets style and performance meets slower driving.
Which one? Which one?
The door is China's
Yeah.
fastest growing automated mass. Now officially.
No, I want to go to level 6. Yeah, level 6.
Okay, come here. Come.
I'm bored of level 5. Wait, where's your Baba?
That is Baba. He knows to see the cars.
Where?
There he is.
Where? Huh? I got you. We also invited Abdullah. He's a sleepy boy. He didn't
Has recently launched two SUVs,
Cars.
door dashing and
No, call your Baba.
70 plus.
Okay.
People at the back
No.
for Pakistan and with
Does he want to get lost over here?
You want to get You don't even know where you're
Let's go to hall number 6.
Hall number 6, great.
Hall number 6, Ajay. Come. Ajay, look it.
What? Bloody Tommy. Yeah. Not Tommy. Tommy. No, Tommy. Tommy. Everyone says Tommy. I say Tommy. Bloody Tommy. Straight. The engines of the stupid cars. What do you mean? The Kuchra guy that came into our school.
Both of you the trash can.
Okay, put us. Come on, put us. Put. You can.
Baba's coming.
There he is.
You guys, come here, wait. Why don't I put you both in the trash can?
Yeah. Do it. We're fine. Just throw us.
Yeah?
Throw us in. We're fine.
Go into the trash can yourself.
Go. Just climb in there. I'll drive the bike. First, I'll drive. Nah, I'll drive. No, I want to practice how to drive. Yeah, I want to drive. Try. What? What the? Oh look. Did you really invite Abdullah? Yeah, he wasn't receiving. He's a sleepy boy. 6, 7. 6,
6 is
7.
the last hall.
Huh?
Come. Over there.
Oh man! Then what will we do after that?
I'll tell you. Come.
We will eat the paratha.
Party over there. There's a party over
Where?
there.
Party over there.
They're counting.
I don't want to go to the party.
Over there.
I don't want to.
Oh,
No.
they're showing something. There's a party over there.
Come on. I can't take out this stupid mic. You know there are some drones also here. Yes, I saw one. Yeah, I saw 2.
store where innovation meets style and performance meets slower driving play.
Where is the party?
We are here with two
There's
style
a party.
SUVs.
They're all Chinese over here. Yeah. There are lots of Chinese.
Premium design, smart technology, and
On.
powerful performance. All the afternoon more
See Chinese. Bloody Tommy. Say Tommy. I don't care. I want to say Hami. I want to say Tommy. No, Hami. Hami makes this day better. Bloody Tommy. No, Hami makes this day better. Bloody Tommy. Okay, Tommy. Yes, Tommy. Tommy is right. Final level. Close for a birthday party. Final level. Hall number 6 is closed for a birthday party. Are you kidding me? You mean level 5? Yeah. Because we didn't go to 1 because level 1 doesn't have anything in it. Yes. So we skipped 1 and we went. Whoa! What? Look at that! Whoa! Look at the giant car.
You're trying to show.
Yes. I'm climbing in it. Can I climb in it?
I don't know. What if it falls down?
It won't.
No.
Who? Hey, someone's trashed the whole area.
What they are trying to show, I'll show you.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Come here, come here. Let me show you what they are trying to show. They are trying to
Killy.
show that this car will go on this mountain like this.
So it's actually not a giant car. Yes. The mountain is the one who is the giant one.
And you want to see this car? Look at this.
Oh!
This car has a screen over here.
Screen, what do you
It runs emojis
Screen.
on it.
Front screen. I want one screen to come. I want it.
You want to check out something?
Yeah.
The car opens with a button.
What do you mean? My car also gets open
Go
with a
there.
button.
Go there.
Ah! You also come. Wow! Wow! Look at the window. Friday. Happy day, happy Friday.
Look at that.
Happy day. Oh, there's a button.
Press the button and it closes. Oh, look, see?
No, it's an AI car.
Look, look, look.
It's automatic. AI car. Ferrari. Oh, it's not Friday. It's not Ferrari. Where's my Baba?
Also, emojis.
I know you don't.
Working right now.
I'll stay here for 24 hours till the emojis come. Look,
Emojis start coming over here. Emojis.
when will it start?
I don't know.
So what? Emoji car. Will someone please put on the emoji? Okay.
Over there.
Do you know that when I went to the juice area, I was so scared. So many people look so scary over there.
The mask.
Yeah, the boys were eating food and they took off their masks. They look like gangsters.
Go there, go there. Come here, come here. Go there.
They were ambulance. They look like, but actually they are bike drivers. I didn't even go with my Baba. I went with his friend. I went with his friend to get the juice. Whose friend? My Baba's friend. Who else? My friend. I mean, my dad. No, my. Okay. Abdullah.
Uncle who's on the top, on the roof of the car.
Wait, roof of the car? Whoa!
Ravi, it's a camping car, look.
Captain? Yes. How is it?
Go and check.
How is it a captain car? Yeah, it's a camping car.
The mountains.
Is that really a mountain? Is that what you call a mountain? A mountain is much seriously. Mountains are way bigger than this. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Might be snake.
Look at that, uncle.
I saw.
It's not special.
It's a camping car.
And what about
Epic.
that you can put some camping gear on it?
You can also do camping. This is a camping car, bro.
Wait, now I'm going to end the video, okay? And you will make your rectangle, okay? Okay? Are you going to make a rectangle?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Alright, what can
Make
I
a video
make?
with me. Come here.
Come, you also.
Come here. Okay, guys, with this vlog is coming to an end, and now Zavi is going to make his rectangle. All right, Ravi?
Okay.
Chal.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.